What's up, guys? Welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make better counter melodies, and this is part 2. This is going to be the major portion. All right, so I'm going to be using the A sharp major scale right here, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to actually make a major scale real quick. So now I have everything color coded, so we're going to do the same 1 through 12 method, right? So I'm going to count all the way up 1 through 12, and then I'm going to show you the notes that you need to make a major scale. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 12. Okay. And then the codes or the degrees that you need would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. All right. So those notes, I will put them up on the screen right now, so you can see them in big letters and everything. You can copy them down. Okay. So now let's move on to pattern 3. And this will actually be the major pentatonic scale I'm going to be showing you how to use for your counter melodies. All right. And with this scale, you can make some great melodies. If you've seen the first video, you know what I'm talking about, but you can just press anything on the keyboard and you can make, you know, any type of melody that you want. So let's go to pattern 3 real quick. Okay, and let's start up here. So now we're within the major scale. Okay, so that 1 through 12 thing, throw that out the window now, because the only notes that matter, or the only notes that we're going to be using, are the 7 notes that we have for the major scale. So you're going to count 1 through 7 now. So the notes that you are going to take out are going to be the 4th and 7th notes. All right, in the major scale. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, take that out, 5, 6, 7, and take that out. And now you have your major pentatonic, and you can transpose this anywhere. All right, and it will still sound good. All right, so let's bring those back. Okay, so now if you don't want to make the major scale and you just want the pentatonic and want to know how to make that, you can just do that with the 1 through 12 method, right? So you can count all the way up 1 through 12. And then these are the notes that you're going to need to just make the pentatonic and skip the major scale portion. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then, you know, 11, 12. So I'll put those up on the screen once again so you can see that. And this is if you want to skip the major scale portion and you just want the pentatonic scale. All right, using the 1 through 12 method, if you just want to count all the way up, you know, a whole octave, whatever. All right, so now I'm going to play some things, and so you can see how this scale sounds and everything, and see that it actually works. All right, so now I'm going to show you my sounds, and I do have the actual pentatonic scale in the background so that you can see me play. Right, so I'm gonna show you this one. This is the plugin, and then the preset that I'm using, and then here's the preset for the Electra X one. All right, and then the contact, and that's the preset there. So I'm gonna just play. I'm gonna play some random stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna play. Just click some random stuff on the keyboard. But all right, let's get into this here. All right, that's enough. Now that's going to be it for this series. So hopefully you learned anything. Maybe you didn't know how to make a minor or major scale before, so hopefully you do now. So I hope that you can go and make some great melodies, counter melodies, or whatever. And that's going to be it for this video. So like, comment, subscribe, especially if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.